Welcome everybody, my name is Michael and today we're discussing about artificial intelligence. Microsoft has announced as of last week there's now a new feature for the background, in this case the sky, but let's say yesterday I was on a Zoom call and I had a very messy background. I had to clean up the clothes. I had to, I'm a sloppy person. I don't want people to see that I'm a sloppy person, so take 5 minutes. But what if I didn't have those 5 minutes? Well, probably wouldn't have looked as good. Well, now there's a new tool that you're able to use across different applications. Microsoft's introducing it where if you're on camera, obviously for the office environment, or maybe, who knows, you're calling a family member or friends or potential clients who you certainly don't now would be in a business environment. You certainly wouldn't want them to have a bad perception of you. First impressions count. All you do, in a matter of a second, boom, you click the button and it cleans the background for you. It actually changes it. Looks a little bit more professional, looks business-like. Looks like you prepared yourself. Yes, this gentleman is someone I want to do business with. This gentleman, I'm very happy that he is my family member. So with that, not only, but for example, Zoom, you have different features for filters. There was a popular actor, a celebrity who was being interviewed, and he had wrinkles. Well, his wrinkles were gone. It's almost like he photoshopped his face in real time. And on TikTok, you have filters. There's a lot of these applications where you're able to adjust the sensitivity, and with that, make everything seem a little prettier. Modify your face a little bit. You don't like the way you look? Not a problem. Let's change the hair. And in real time, this is amazing because you don't have to waste any time for live streams, for podcasts, for work calls, for prospecting, for anything. You're a content creator. It makes your life a lot easier. There's a lot of upside to this. Now, there's always a little bit of downside. Can this be misused? It certainly can. So this update is for Microsoft Teams. It's obviously for one of their products where you're able to use it for collaborative efforts. And not only does it make everything a little bit cleaner and crisp, and it actually looks pretty good, but you're able to make everything a little bit more festive, such as add in a Christmas tree, add in certain decorations. Hey, it's the holidays. Happy holidays, right? So with that, it is pretty nice. It's nothing massive. It's not a life-changing feature, but it's just one of those things that makes everything a little bit more convenient. Yes, there could be, I don't know, in the future, potential hacks that maybe mess up your background or steal data or whatever, but I'm sure a company as large as Microsoft and anybody else who it's competing with, aka aka Zoom, which Microsoft has tried to purchase Zoom for many, many years now, a couple different generations with that. In terms of, there was a lot of distractions outside. So Zoom said, no, we're not getting bought out by Microsoft. We want to do our own thing. We want to have control, at least the founders. And with that, all these tools, once they see one organization has these new effects, these new AI performance enhancers, as we can say, they want it too, because, well, everybody has seen the power of it and they want it for their own application. You go on TikTok, well, now Instagram has to adjust everything. Now YouTube has to adjust everything. There's always going to be this massive after effect, what's going on. So with that, it's not the biggest project. It's a teeny tiny advancement where the really big news over the past week, and obviously this deserves its own video content, Microsoft has announced something that will make NVIDIA pretty jealous. This is to rival Google's TPU and Amazon's Graviton. Essentially, they're making Maya 100 and in the future Cobalt, which are their own AI-focused CPU processors, right? That's going to be huge. Microsoft's going to make billions of dollars off of this if they get it right, and I'm sure they will. They're investing a lot into R&D. These AI CPUs will be very important, especially in the future where we're taking a look at quantum computers. So with that, just wanted to do a little update today. Nothing too crazy. We might have more news, exciting news in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. And as always, stay safe. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like, thumbs, and subscribe. Bye.